Hello everyone, this is Ms. Leia delivering for you a new grammar lesson. What are parts of speech? Parts of speech are different types of words we use when we speak and write, such as nouns, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, verbs, and interjections. So, what is an adverb? Adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Adverbs often answers the questions when, how, and where. Let's look at the different types of adverbs and how an action happens. For example, she ran quickly to the pharmacy. Quickly tells us how did she run. She talked loudly in class. Loudly tells us how did she talk. Did you notice something about these two adverbs? That's right. They all end with ly. Quick and loud are adjectives, but in order to describe a verb, we often add ly at the end to create an adverb. Adverbs can answer the question when. These are words like always, now, tomorrow, never, and sometimes. For example, she's always happy. He's walking now. Always and now are adverbs. Adverbs can also answer the question where. These words can be used as adverbs to tell where something happens. These are words like inside, outside, here, there, up and down. For example, come here, get inside. Find the adverb. Let's read the sentence. Yesterday, we slowly moved the boxes outside. In this sentence, we have three adverbs. Can you find them? Think carefully. The adverbs are yesterday, slowly, and outside. Slowly tells us how an action happens, and it ends with ly. Yesterday tells us when the action happens. Outside tells us where the action happens. Forms of comparison. Just like adjectives, there are 3 degrees of comparison in adverbs: the positive, the comparative, and the superlative. The adverbs form their comparatives and superlatives using er, est, more, and most. For example, Sam played the tune lyrically. Mo played the tune more lyrically than Sam. This is the comparative form. Jack played the tune most lyrically. This is the superlative form. Using comparing adverbs. We have the positive form of an adverb, we have the comparative form, and we have the superlative form. For one syllable adverb, we add er in the comparative form and est in the superlative form. For example, soon, sooner, soonest, fast, faster, fastest. If we have a y at the end, we remove the y and we add iest. If the adverb is composed of 2 syllables or more, we add more and most. More in the comparative form and most in the superlative form. For example, happily, more happily, most happily. Some adverbs are very naughty. They change their whole spelling. We call them the irregular adverbs. For example, far, farther, furthest, well, better, best, badly, worse, worst, little, less, least, much, more, most. Remember, adverbs are words we use to describe adjectives, verbs, and other adverbs. They help answer questions like how, when, and where. Blessed efforts, everyone. Love you all. Bye-bye.